What is the connection between Interact and Rotary? Have you ever wondered how young people can make a difference in their communities while also building leadership skills? The Interact Club is a fantastic opportunity for teenagers to do just that. So, what is the connection between Interact and Rotary? Let's break it down. Interact is a youth service club program created and sponsored by Rotary International. It was established in 1962 to involve young people in community service and leadership development. Each Interact Club is sponsored by a local Rotary Club, which provides resources, mentorship, and support. The age group for Interact Clubs is teenagers aged 12 to 18. This makes it a perfect fit for high school students looking to engage with their peers and contribute to their communities. Interact Clubs focus on having fun, making friends, and carrying out meaningful service projects. One of the key requirements for Interact Clubs is to organize at least 2 service projects each year. One project should benefit the local community, while the other should promote global awareness. This structure allows members to take action on issues they care about and gain hands-on experience in leadership. Rotary places a strong emphasis on developing leadership skills, and Interact provides a platform for young people to practice these skills. Members can plan events, manage projects, and work collaboratively with others. This experience is not only rewarding but also beneficial for personal growth and future academic pursuits. Another exciting aspect of Interact is its global network. With over 15,000 clubs in more than 140 countries, members have the chance to learn about different cultures and build international friendships. This global connection enriches the experience and allows for participation in worldwide service initiatives. If you are interested in starting an Interact Club, local Rotary clubs can guide you through the process. They follow specific steps to officially establish and charter the club. Students can reach out to their local Rotary club or school for more information on how to join or start a club. For teenagers preparing for college, being part of an Interact Club can strengthen college applications. It shows commitment to community service and leadership, which colleges value. Plus, the skills gained in teamwork, communication, and project management are essential in both academic and professional settings. In summary, the connection between Interact and Rotary is rooted in service and leadership development. Through Interact, teenagers can make a positive impact while preparing for their future. So, if you are looking for a way to engage with your community and develop important skills, consider joining an Interact Club.